Hello, my name is Tomlee Abila. I'm a software developer from Zone 0 in Kisumu. So I've been working in Zone 0 since last year, 2024, April. It's been more than 10 months, and it's been such a great experience. Here at Zone 0 is where I got to be introduced to Go, and in Go I've handled several projects like Forum, Groupie Tracker, and even ASCII. So one of the exciting projects that I handled in Go was Forum. In Forum, we created a social media platform where I got to work with JS in the front end, do some UI, UX in the front end, then at the back end, render templates, work with APIs and so forth. So another language that I did in here, I've said JS, Rust, Python, and also I got training on UI UX, where in the user experience, doing research, doing interviews, learning more about the user, what would they like to be in the website. In the UI, looking at several color combination, what will be pleasant, which one rhymes with which specific kind of field, like for fintech, agriculture, or any other field. So my experience has been great and everything. And before here at Zone, I got also to work with other companies like Mtaka, Ikral, and also Takwana. At Mtaka, I got to create a project, a smart bin project for the waste collection, where it gave out location of the bin and also gave out notification whenever the bin was full. At Takwana, I got to work on a project for the booking system, where someone would book a seat and also know when someone else also released the seat and so forth and so on. Ikral, I got introduced to Flutter, Flutter development, where I worked on a mobile application. Yes, and again, here at Zone we did hackathons. One of the hackathons we did was in decision tree, where we made decision tree to analyze a lot of data at a very fast pace. So if by any chance you want to get in touch with me, I've worked on fintech projects, I've worked on real-time projects. So get in touch with me to develop a front-end user experience, back-end. You can get in touch with me at Tomlee Abila, that is in LinkedIn, Tomlee Abila in GitHub, and also in my email. Just DM me at tomleeabila@gmail.com. Thank you.